Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 15. Sleek, refined, and the most talked about iPhone in years. So let's not waste time and unbox this beauty. No plastic wrap anymore, just these tier of stripes. They also serve as a tamper evidence seal, indicating whether the box has been opened before. Moving on, boom. First thing you see, the iPhone 15 sitting right on top. Love this blue color variant. Let's just keep the phone aside for a minute and see what's inside the box. Okay, the essentials. USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a braided cable. And finally, the Apple is in the USB-C type club. Welcome, Apple. Next, we have got some paperwork and of course, the SIM injector tool. Okay, let's keep all these things aside and bring out the star. The iPhone 15 has a very good premium look. The back has a smooth matte glass finish. They call it color infused glass. It feels super premium. It's splash, dust and water resistant as well. Okay, the oddly satisfying peel off part, and here we go. The front is covered with Apple's ceramic shield, still one of the toughest smartphone glass materials out there. It's smooth, edge to edge, and slightly curved into the frame for more seamless feel in the hand. The bezels are a bit thinner this year, and the overall fit and finish, absolutely premium. Let's power this on, and here we go, the classic Apple hello screen. Greetings in other languages as well. Here comes Hindi, Namaste Ji. Anyway, moving ahead, I'll skip this registration part. This device has got A16 Bionic chip from iPhone 14 Pro that powers the iPhone with advanced AI, efficient battery life, smooth gaming, better photos, and other smart tasks. Now this tiny change makes a big difference. USB Type-C unlocks faster charging and cleaner cable life. This is a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display that looks smooth and vibrant. About that camera, 48 megapixel on the main sensor. It's sharp and fast, and hoping the smart HDR update is going to make a difference. Here's a trial run. I tried to click a portrait of this flower and you can see the results. So that's it for the unboxing and first impressions. What do you think about the iPhone 15? Is it worth the upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. Until then, see you in the next.